This is the new EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus, the newest member to join our Delta series of portable power stations with the same advanced X-Core 3.0 technology as Delta Pro 3. Delta 3 Plus offers 1 kilowatt hour of cutting-edge performance in a more compact and versatile package. So, here's the cable box. Inside you'll find 3 cables: the AC charging cable, car charging cable, a DC 5521 to DC 5525 cable. Oh, and the usual docks are in there too. Delta 3 Plus comes with a 5-year warranty, the same as the Delta 2 series, and you can return it within 30 days if you change your mind. Then there's a quick start guide with all the essentials. It's important, so don't skip it. Now, let's get down to business. Here we are. Wow. I'm really loving the new color of the 3rd generation Deltas. Its metallic, shiny finish catches the light for a modern, high-tech vibe. So, for a 1024 watt-hour capacity, it weighs less than 27.5 pounds. So it's pretty portable. You can quickly move it around the house or take it with you on trips, so you have power whenever you need it. The unit is just a little larger than 13-inch laptop, compact enough to fit into small spaces, but still performs powerfully. Let's take a look at it from the front. We've got 2 USB Type-C and 2 USB Type-A output ports, and 6 AC output sockets. Delta 3 Plus has an automatic switchover of less than 10 milliseconds for an uninterruptible power supply for seamless power backup. The left-hand USB Type-C port supports HID communication, which sends a signal to the server to save data and important documents before shutdown. Here's the main power button. You can see the battery level here, along with the total output and input power. One of the most impressive things about Delta 3 Plus is its charging speed, the fastest in the industry. So, whether you're using an AC wall outlet at home, solar charging outdoors, or an alternator charger on the go, you'll get powered up at the fastest speed possible. On the other side of the main power button, you have the AC output and USB output control buttons. You'll need to turn these on before using the corresponding ports. Unlike Delta 2, Delta 3 Plus has heat vents on the sides, blending into the silver casing even better. It's also worth noting that this generation has an optimized cooling feature, which significantly reduces noise. This means you can enjoy more peace while the device operates, whether you're using it indoors or outdoors, without compromising on performance. Now, let's take a look at the back. Just like the front, there's a heat vent here to keep things cool. Here's the solar or car charging input port. You can connect the Delta 3 Plus to solar panels or a vehicle power source, like a cigarette lighter socket or an onboard battery charger. This is the extra battery port, compatible with the Delta Pro 3, Delta 2 Max, Delta 2, and Delta 3 Extra battery. So you can expand the capacity up to 5 kilowatt hours. It also supports DC charging, so you can plug it in EcoFlow alternator charger, smart generator, or microinverter. Plus, you can connect the power station to an EcoFlow smart device to supply power. With the AC charging input port, you can connect the power station to an AC power source, like a wall outlet or generator to charge it. And check this out. There's a cover here that protects the unit against liquids and dust during long-term storage. Next, we have the 12-volt DC output port, which is the same as a cigarette lighter socket. This supplies power to 12-volt DC loads like automotive, refrigerators, or similar devices. The last ports are both 12-volt DC 5521 outlets. These supply power to 12-volt DC loads like routers, security cameras, effects pedals, and other devices. Just like with the AC USB output, don't forget to press the DC button when using the DC output. Well, there you have it, our impressions of the brand new EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus with the fastest charging speed in the industry. Are you curious about how quickly it'll charge? Is it enough for your home backup needs? Well, then stay tuned for our next video, the Delta 3 Plus full review, where we'll go over all the features. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you never miss an update. See you next time.